diba? Welcome, papi galang.
Asa na si Mikay?
Andito na.
Ay, paano pa to?
Feeling ko dapat hindi siya. Musibasan siya. Uy, parang documentary talagang atake nito. May nagka-crash out.
Napipitin na ako eh. Paano ba? Mali. Sabi na din mo na dito.
Saan ba mo si set up?
안녕하세요. 네, 감사합니다.
Ay!
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me.
Is the the smallest?
Yeah, you got a friend in me.
Sarap! Sarap mabuhay, Lord. I take it all back.
Thank you, Lord.
I take it. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Ay, kita ka niyan, Ting. What a good life. Hindi ka pa natin. Enroll mo si Kazumi sa taekwondo. Parang ang
Alam mo, gusto ko din. Kasi tumatawa si Kazuki ngayon, hindi namin madali. Hindi, kasi...
taekwondo ko out of the park.
See it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
What's up, guys? Today is my prenup day. Debut niya, te.
Debut niya. After niya ikasal, debut na. Ay, ganyan lang ba gusto mo? Laylayan? Oo naman yan. Nag-interview ang mga OAT. Parang pang-narco rin. Parang pumano.
Ano kaya kung mabagsak ko to?
Sige, paksin mo lang.
Okay lang, no?
Di naman sa'yo.
Hindi, dito lang may ari, oh.
Sa inyo lahat, ha?
Di sa akin din.
Pinaman ako kayo.
Nagdadalawa kayo, ha? 1, 2, 3! Ano ba yun? Sabi mo kang dugit ka mo?
Hindi pa kami nag-applause.
Team. Rod! Huwag ka dyan. Huwag ka dyan. Dito po. Dito tayo. Tama. Tiralan mo siya. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Alam mo, ikaw lang. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hello!
Annyeong.
We found your camera and we want to take this moment to say something to you and say
I
how
feel
much
this moment.
I love you.
Love you,
Love you,
Hana.
Love you, Hana. I love you so much. Ate, pag to in-upload, hindi mo na naman nire-repost. Kasi ganyan yung tsura. What's your Christmas wish for Hana?
My Christmas wish for you is for you to prosper
Yes.
more with your life and be happy always.
Ako naman, as long as you're happy with what you're doing, I'll always be beside you. Always remember where I'm at.
Grabe naman yung wishes niya.
Ikaw? Shera Madre. Shera Madre, ano?
Ang wish ko lang. Hindi, ang wish ko, matupad yung mga wish nila sa'yo. Good health to you and to your family.
Especially, Mami.
Yeah.
We love you. And also, thank you for loving us.
Yeah, love you.
Peace out.
Good morning, Mrs. Jo.
Good morning. Ano ba?
Good morning, Mrs.
Hindi, binuksan ko na yung ilaw kasi may video ako.
May video siya na
Hirap na hirap yung kotse, maawa naman kayo.
Sana sinabi mo doon na lang kami pumunta, oh.
Maglalakad ka? Sigurado ka?
Charot lang.
Baka mag-grab ka ba? Pabaakyat?